MC Rebecca. Wait. Is that Drake? I don't know what I just heard, but yo, I just want to say, this is the first time I've ever heard MC Rebecca, ever. So it's like quite a crazy thing to start off an artist with on the channel. So I've never actually heard these songs before, so I'm hearing them live before I actually watch the music videos. So, let's see what she's got, bro. Oh. Yo. Oh. She has got a flow on her, bro. Oh my. Oh. Oh, you gotta relax with the peach, bro. The Brazilian peach, bro. Like, it's everywhere. I love it. Senta, senta. Oh. Yo, she's got a really good flow, bro. Her voice, it sounds good. It's not insane, but it does sound good. I like it. Her energy is very, 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 very good, bro. Very good energy, bro. I like it. What? What in the TikTok is this? What? Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Okay, Queen. I don't know what that TikTok. I don't know what that song. Yo, I like her. I like her a lot. What the freak? Oh. Yo, I like her. I really like her. She is doing very, very good on this performance. I love that bit there where like that classy, bougie, ratchet, that song, and then like the funk, like, and they went crazy, bro. I love that. Yo, why have you guys never told me to react to this girl, bro? I say this girl, she has a name. MC Rebecca. The guy twerking in the background. Jogo. What the frick? Yo, how did she do that? Wait. That was cool. That was freaking cool. She knows how to use the peach, bro. Jago. Is she still singing? She's upside down, twerking her butt, and she's still singing, bro. Okay. Oh, she moves on fast. Whoa. I like that girl's hair. It's very unique. I like it, bro. Yo. I really like this MC Rebecca. I really like her for some reason. I don't know why. Just really like her. Sorry? What the frick? What? Yo. What? What the hell? Tinha. Ah. Ooh. Yo, the peaches, bro. Jesus. Yo, okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Relax. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. I like her. I really like her. I don't know why. Her energy that whole time on the stage. Amazing. And yo, she did the freaking splits out of nowhere, bro. She started singing upside down, twerking her butt. I like that sort of stuff, bro. Really like this girl. MC Rebecca. Is a queen, not a girl. MC Rebecca. Yeah, never heard those songs before, but obviously I heard them live now, so I'll probably go check out the music videos as well soon. So, yo, anyway, I thought that was an amazing performance. I'm gonna give that one a 9 out of 10. Let me know what you guys thought of this performance. And, yo, if you want more reactions to MC Rebecca, make sure to like and subscribe. And peace.